Good morning. I'd like to open a new bank account, please.
Good morning. Of course, I can help you with that. Are you looking for a checking or savings account?
I'm interested in a checking account primarily.
Okay, great. Do you have your identification with you, like a passport or driver's license?
Yes, I have my driver's license right here.
Perfect. And do you have a secondary form of ID, such as a utility bill with your address?
Let me see. Yes, I have a recent electricity bill on my phone.
That works perfectly. Just to confirm, are you a new customer with us?
Yes, I am. This is my first time banking here.
Wonderful. We have a few options for checking accounts. Would you like me to explain them?
Please, that would be very helpful.
All right, we have our basic checking and our premium checking. The premium offers
Thank you. I think the basic checking sounds good for now.
excellent choice. We can get that set up for you right away.
Great, thank you so much.